To access IWP, go to the project of your choice. On the top navigation bar of the project's main page, you can see the IWP button. Click on the IWP button to access the individual work plan page. A simple IWP home page has a drop-down that lets you select the duration for which you wish to plan the work hours. IWP allows the users to select the work plan duration as a week, 15 days, or a month. Let us plan the work hours for a week. The task hour table will be populated as shown. The task hour table has the columns for a task key, task title, start date, due date, priority, total task planned hours, and dates for the next 7 days, starting from today. Instead of a week, if you select 15 days or a month, more number of columns will be shown in the task hour table, with the column heading as the date starting from today. All the tasks assigned to the user from a selected project that do not have a closed or a cancelled status will be listed in the IWP task hour table. Along with the tasks, the task start date, due date, priority, total task planned hours, and the previously planned work hours will also be listed in the IWP task hour table. As you can note, the planned task hours are color-coded. The task hours field is colored green if the hours are less than or equal to 4. The field is yellow if the hours task work hours are between 4 and 6, and it is red if the work hours planned for a task on a given day are greater than 6. In the second row just below the table heading, total hours planned for a day are displayed. This is the sum of the work hours planned for all the tasks on that particular day. As you can note, the total hours planned for a day are also color-coded. The total hours planned for the day will be green if the hours planned for that particular day are up to 4. It will be yellow if the total hours planned for that day are between 4 and 6. The field will turn red if you plan more than 6 hours in a given day. This helps users to know if they are overcommitting themselves or they can shoulder more responsibility. The sixth column from the left is the total task planned hours. This column displays the total hours planned on a given task in a given work plan. For example, you can check the hours planned for the first task, named Prepare Workflow Relationship Document. On this task, 2 hours are planned on 11th July, 2 hours are planned on 12th July, and 7 hours are planned on 13th July. Therefore, the total task planned hours is the sum of the hours planned on 11th, 12th, and 13th July, that is 11. As you plan the hours on a task, the total task planned hours column will be automatically updated. This allows users to verify the amount of time they are allocating on a task in a given work plan. If you click on any task title, the task title field will be highlighted. In the region below the task hour table, all the dependencies, that is, predecessor and successor tasks, of a selected task, will be displayed. The task title, task owner, dependency type, start date, and end date of the predecessor and the successor tasks will be shown in the tables. This helps users to plan their work, taking into consideration the start date and due date constraints on a selected task, given the predecessor and the successor tasks. Put the hours you plan to work on a given task on a given day in the fields next to a task in the appropriate date columns. As per your project needs, you can change the task priorities or change the start or the due dates. Once your work hours are appropriately planned, click on the Update button to update the project task records. You will see the Status Update Report table. The Status Update Report table shows task key, task title, start date, end date, priority, total task planned hours, and the status. All the latest updated values will be displayed in this table. If some tasks could not be updated, the tasks will be marked red in the table, with the error message displayed in the status column. This allows the users to take the appropriate action on the tasks that could not be updated. Plan your work hours with IWP and have a happy project planning. For more information or for any difficulties, feel free to write to info@baelindia.com. Also visit Bael Solutions website www.baelindia.com for more information about Bael Solutions and upcoming extensions.